So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here in this open ground to fly this FT simple stick. And basically this is a 4-channel aircraft and it is an aerobatic aircraft. Why? Because it is having a symmetrical airfoil, as you can see right over here. So basically what this plane does is that it can fly inverted, or we can do a scissor cut. We can fly it in any direction and we can perform some stunts using this aircraft. So let's see how it flies.